How to order on TestriteAluminum.com. Thank you for visiting TestriteAluminum.com. This video will show you how to place an order online. Note, pricing is subject to change on a daily basis based on current aluminum pricing, but we are committed to offering volume pricing at Testrite Aluminum. As you buy more, we give you a lower price. Now, let's jump in. At the top of the page, you'll see categories across the screen. The first category on the left is currently called round aluminum tubing. For this demonstration, we want a 1-inch round aluminum tube, so let's click here. On this page, you'll see all of our round aluminum tubes. If you scroll to the bottom, there are more pages to find what you're looking for. But let's go back to the top. Today we want a 1-inch round aluminum tube, 038-inch wall. You can see it's on the first row, and right now, it's in the 5th position. Please note that over time, products may move position on their corresponding web page. Great! Now we can see our 1-inch round aluminum tube with an 038-inch wall. If you want to learn more about the item, you can click on the second image, then click on the magnifying glass to make the image even larger. In this case, it's specified at 0.995 inches, and the 038-inch wall means the thickness of the aluminum on each side is 38/1000ths of an inch. Now, to proceed with your order, you must make a few decisions. First, what is the length of the tube you want to buy? The default shows it's 6 inches, but maybe today you want 71 inches. So you'll go through the drop-down and you'll select 71. If you have trouble scrolling, you can also type the numbers 7 and 1 on your keyboard and it'll jump to 71 inches. In addition to length, you can add a fraction of an inch. Let's say you want 71.5-inch long tube. After selecting 71, click on the drop-down list of the additional fractional length options and select the ½ inch. So now with these selections, we'll cut the aluminum at 71.5 inches long. Next up is finish. Finish is what the outside of the tube will look like. Mill finish is raw aluminum and the most economical option. It's mainly used in applications where you're not going to see or touch the aluminum and is generally considered unattractive. Silver is the next up in price, followed by black as the most costly. Both of these options are anodized aluminum finishes. If you scroll down to product descriptions, you'll see that for some products, silver and black may be painted colors rather than anodized, and it is noted in the product description for those particular items. So now we've decided that we want a 71.5-inch long tube and we want it in silver finish. Notice that the current price for this is $28.75. Note, pricing changes regularly. For the latest pricing, see TestriteAluminum.com. But wait, I think our project needs 10 of these tubes. Move over to the left where you can either click the plus button 9 times to get to quantity of 10, or you can type the number 0 next to the 1. So now let's add to cart. And notice how this larger quantity has made the price of the individual tube go down. While one piece is currently priced at $28.75, at 10 pieces, it's $23. Great, everything looks good. We have our 71.5-inch long, 1-inch tube in silver finish at quantity 10. But hold on, we're not done yet. Let's go back to the home page to find our next category of interest. If we go back to round aluminum tubing, 1-inch round aluminum tube with an 038-inch wall, and scroll down, we can see more product recommendations for that specific item. Maybe we're also interested in a 7/8-inch OD tube or some B-split collar locks. Maybe we want something else entirely different. So let's scroll up and let's check out parts and accessories. Today we want end caps. Since we have our 1-inch round tubes in our shopping cart, let's select end caps for round tubing. And let's add 1 pack of the 1-inch diameter end caps. So let's review. We have our 10 1-inch round tubes cut at 71.5 inches in length, and we have our 10 end caps for round tubing. We're ready to check out, so let's click on that orange checkout button. If you have Shop Pay or Google Pay, you can click on either of these buttons and it'll automatically load all of your information. But if you don't have either, just type in your email address. Select your delivery method, and input your shipping address information if you've selected Ship. Next, you can select the shipping method. In this case, the order qualifies for free shipping, so we'll leave the default selected. Finally, enter your payment information. And select Remember Me for a faster checkout next time. When you're done, click Pay Now, and your order is complete. If everything goes through, you'll see the confirmation page. This means your order has been placed. You'll receive an email with the order confirmation and another message when the order ships. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and we look forward to working with you on your next project. Thanks for watching.